All right, everybody, I'd like to explain what you're supposed to do with this thing. So the first thing that I want you to do is notice it's called the Biomolecule Puzzle, and it's not easy. So the first thing you have to do is you cut out all 9 of these boxes carefully, and you'll have these. And then your job is to try and take them and match them. So you're gonna look at the details that are on one of these structures. So I'm gonna go with this big, beautiful carbon. And it's got C, H, and O. And then this one's C, H, O, N, and P. So I know, based on my notebook and the materials that we've written, and you could even read the data tables that were added today, but I know that lipids and carbohydrates, are both made out of carbons, hydrogens, and oxygens. But I also remember on page 19, we wrote that nucleic acids were made out of C's, H's, O's, N's, and P's. So I'm gonna go try and find a card, one of these, that's got something to do with nucleic acids down here. So I'm gonna leave that right here. I also know that this particular card has got to be probably, well, it doesn't have to be my center, but it's got connections or potential connections on all 4 sides, and that's one of those kind of pieces you want to look for. However, let's go find something that says atoms or types of atoms in a nucleic acid. So I'm looking and I'm looking for anything that's talking about nucleic acid. Nope. Nucleic acid. Examples. It's not an example of a nucleic acid. Monomers of nucleic acids. Well, it's close. Oh, hello. I found one. It says elements in nucleic acids. That is going to go right there, 100%. There is no other biomolecule that's made out of C's, H's, O's, N's, and P's. So that's for sure. So then I'm going to try and see if I can pick one of these sides and start making some more connections. I know on page 19, nucleotides are the monomers of nucleic acids. So I'm gonna go see if I can find, oh, look at this. It's already set up right there for me. I'm gonna go make sure that the monomers of nucleic acids are right next to each other. I'm not gonna tape anything else down. I'm just gonna position it. So this is you doing a practice puzzle. If you do get this, I'd love for you to snap a photograph of it with your cell phone. You don't have to turn it in, but then you have proof. And then when you're done and you've tried to get this, if you give up, you don't know the answers just yet, or you're struggling to do it, work on this for about 5 to 10 minutes. And if you can't nail it, then go ahead and scramble them back up and then put them, please, in a Ziploc bag, and you have to bring them to class tomorrow. So I'm gonna check to make certain that you've got your practice puzzle ready to go and in the pocket of your notebook.